Imagine you've just built a billion-dollar fortress. I'm talking massive steel walls, top-of-the-line motion sensors, and armed guards patrolling the perimeter 24/7. You feel completely secure, right? But then, the unthinkable happens. The intruder doesn't scale your walls. They don't pick your high-tech locks. They literally just walk right through the front door. Why? Because they already have the CEO's keys. Companies thought they were perfectly safe behind their massive firewalls, but the terrifying truth of 2026 is that traditional security is basically just looking for broken locks. It has absolutely no idea what to do when someone uses a perfectly valid stolen key. So how on earth are hackers completely bypassing the most expensive security systems in the world without triggering a single alarm? Well, that is exactly the mystery we're uncovering today.
Okay, let's dive right into this explainer. We've got a lot of ground to cover. 1. The invisible intruder. 2. The unseen human cost. 3. The AI threat multiplier. 4. The machine speed detective. And 5. Securing the future.
Chapter 1. The Invisible Intruder. You know, the scariest monster isn't the one breaking the glass outside. It's the adversary that's already sitting silently inside your house. Let's look at the chilling Snowflake data breach from 2024, a classic case of the invisible intruder. Think of this like a digital crime scene. Month 1, an employee's personal device gets infected with what's called an info stealer. It silently sits there, capturing usernames and passwords. Fast forward to day 30, and those perfectly valid credentials are listed for sale on the dark web. Day 31, hackers buy them and log directly into customer accounts. No complex hacking required. By day 32, hundreds of millions of records are extracted without triggering a single alarm. And the fatal flaw in this entire mystery? There was absolutely no multi-factor authentication required. A single stolen password was all the intruder needed to empty the entire vault. Chapter 2. The Unseen Human Cost. When this invisible intruder goes unnoticed, it's everyday people who pay the ultimate price. The stakes here aren't just corporate profits. They're deeply, deeply personal. 192,700,000. That is the staggering human scale of the Change Healthcare ransomware attack. This single breach touched 1 in every 3 American patient records. Just let that sink in for a second. 1 in 3 Americans had their most private information caught right in the crossfire. And look at the dramatic difference in what actually gets stolen here. If someone steals your credit card or your password, you just call the bank, cancel it, and get a new one, right? It's reusable. But what if a hacker steals your palm print, your social security number, or your private medical diagnoses? That is never changing. Victims of these breaches are exposed to permanent, lifelong extortion. Because, let's face it, you cannot cancel your medical history.
And the financial devastation? It's absolute. In 2026, the global average cost of a data breach sits at a record $4.99 million. But in the US, that number spikes to $11.5 million. The healthcare sector is hit incredibly hard, averaging $10.9 million per incident. In the Change Healthcare attack, the company reportedly paid a $22 million ransom to the attackers just to make it go away. But the criminals pulled an exit scam. They kept the money, and the data was leaked anyway. There is truly no honor among thieves.
Chapter 3. The AI Threat Multiplier. Now attackers have actually found a way to weaponize artificial intelligence, making their crimes faster, cheaper, and, frankly, flawless. These adversaries are automating their digital break-ins. Let's walk through the anatomy of a modern attack. Step 1. AI phishing. Gone are the days of those badly misspelled emails from fake princes. Generative AI now crafts flawless, grammar-perfect, highly personalized emails that are 54% more successful. Step 2. Info stealers silently capture passwords from those tricked employees. Step 3 introduces a massive new blind spot, shadow AI. This is when employees secretly use unapproved AI tools at work, accidentally leaking company data. And finally, Step 4. Autonomous exploitation. AI models now hunt for zero-day flaws instantly, breaking into systems at machine speed before human defenders even realize they're under attack. And this brilliantly illustrates the real problem. The top causes of breaches in 2026 tell a very clear story. Ransomware is at 24%, credential theft at 19%, phishing at 16%, and insider threats at 15%. The vast majority of these attacks rely on tricking humans or stealing identities. Hackers aren't brute forcing their way through expensive firewalls anymore. They are manipulating human psychology and literally walking right in with the keys.
Chapter 4. The Machine Speed Detective.
But real quick, if this Cyber Tips Explainer is finally making 2026 enterprise security click for you, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss our weekly nuggets where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
And hey, if you want to take action right now and know if your own data is safe, download our free 2026 AI Defense Checklist in the description below to secure your digital vault today.
So, how do we actually stop the bleeding? By introducing a heroic mechanism that finally levels the playing field against these invisible intruders. It is a complete paradigm shift. Traditional security looks for known bad signatures. It basically waits for a broken lock. But behavioral AI, it acts like a brilliant, super observant detective. It constantly studies the scene for abnormal human behavior. If a receptionist who normally just reads emails suddenly starts downloading 5 terabytes of encrypted customer data at 3 a.m., behavioral AI flags it and stops the thief immediately, even if they are holding a perfectly valid key.
Let's meet the 2026 AI Detective Squad. These are the cutting-edge platforms acting as tireless 24/7 digital forensic experts. We've got SentinelOne using Purple AI for autonomous, machine-speed responses that neutralize threats in real time. We have Wiz mapping the entire cloud security graph to find hidden attack paths before hackers can even exploit them. There's Cycode using agentic security to track threats continuously from code creation all the way to runtime. And Vector AI monitoring lateral network traffic to catch imposters moving silently inside your systems. So, the crucial point is this core concept, data security posture management, or DSPM for short. Think of DSPM as your ultimate digital vault manager. It continuously monitors exactly where all your sensitive data lives, who actually has access to it, and if it's been accidentally left unguarded. Because the truth is, you simply cannot protect what you cannot see. DSPM is absolutely vital for uncovering hidden shadow data before the hackers find it.
Chapter 5. Securing the Future. Let's bring this all together and turn our fear into proactive empowerment. 80 days. That is the incredible, game-changing advantage of bringing AI into your defense strategy. Companies utilizing AI for protection detect breaches 80 days faster than those relying on legacy systems. Catching an intruder 80 days earlier saves an organization an average of $1.9 million per incident, not to mention the countless human lives protected from permanent identity theft.
Which leads us to the empowered defense playbook. How do you actually transform a sitting duck into a proactive, resilient fortress? First, enforce multi-factor authentication. Make absolutely sure a stolen password isn't enough to get through the door. Second, adopt a zero-trust architecture. Never trust, always verify, even if the user has the right keys. Third, implement DSPM to completely eliminate your data blind spots. And fourth, use AI guardrails to control shadow AI and stop your own employees from accidentally leaking data to outside tools.
So we've secured the vault for today, but the mystery definitely doesn't end here. Right now, hackers are stealing massive amounts of perfectly encrypted data for what are called store now, decrypt later attacks. They are literally just hoarding this data, waiting for quantum computers to become powerful enough to shatter our current encryption standards. So I have to ask, will your digital vault survive the terrifying, high-stakes arrival of post-quantum cryptography?
The mystery of quantum hacking is already unfolding. Feel free to binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert.